How to delete your two GIS account. Hello everybody, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can delete your two GIS account. So how do you delete this? Now follow me as I show you how to do so. The first step is to launch your 2GIS app on your device. After launching it, move to the bottom left corner and bottom right corner rather, and click on your profile icon. Then once you're on your profiles page, move to the top right corner, click on the three vertical dots that you can see there. Then select edit profile from the options displayed. Then scroll down until you can see the option delete profile. So once you see the option delete profile, click on it. And then you can see a prompt asking you, telling you the consequence of deleting your profile, which amounts to deleting your account. So if you agree, check the box, click on delete, and then just like that, your account would be deleted, and all your data, your work addresses, your profile picture, your email, everything would be erased. So this is it. Okay, this is how you can delete your two GIS account. So ensure you watch this video to the end. Ensure you subscribe, leave a like, and you comment this video to those that need them. Have a very good day.